The purpose of the phenotype study is to learn more about the diverse brain, behavioral and cognitive differences throughout the lifespan, and the effect different neurodevelopmental trajectories can have on reading and other functions. It investigates the differences in brain structure and function for youth with various learning abilities and challenges. Dr. Marilu Gorno-Tempini is the lead investigator of this project, conducted at the UCSF Dyslexia Center. If your child is eligible, researchers will do a number of tasks with your child to assess their cognitive strengths. Investigators hope that findings from the study will help provide better understanding of the neuromechanisms underlying dyslexia.
The phenotyping study is a study about kids and their brains, essentially. We're trying to figure out as much as possible about how they are developing and mostly about how kids learn to read.
This study is recruiting youth between the ages of 7 and 16 and is a developing or developed reader with and without reading difficulties. Your child must be able to have an MRI done to participate in the study. This is an opportunity for you to contribute and help researchers, as well as your peers. You can help others find help and learn more about their own brains. If you have a learning challenge, the Phenotype Project can help researchers discover it, and you can be directed to resources for treatment. All participants have the power to forward research about dyslexia and other challenges.
The main goal of this in the long term is to hopefully be able to just do a brain scan and understand what your strengths are, what areas you need more support in.
Well, I think it's really an innovative study. We're looking at dyslexia at such an individual level.
There is nothing that I know able to give you a global frame like this one.
And I know broadly there's a lot of different testing done, a lot of looking at different abilities across sort of language and cognition.
I think it's a lot of fun. I think it's a lot of hard work. I think there are hard bits and easier bits and more fun bits and less fun bits, but I think it's overall an interesting experience, and I think it's pretty exciting to learn about how your brain works.
It's a great way to learn about your brain. Everybody's brains are very unique, and why not get the chance to learn how you best learn.
And for kids who have learning differences, being able to tailor interventions or reading supports, math supports to your brain and how your brain is wired.
To be able to really connect so many pieces, so many results of the research, the testing, the questionnaires, the observations, and this is across academic and social emotional and kind of neurological.
And be a part of sort of emerging research on looking at sort of the neuroscience of the brain and in developing minds, and particularly for anybody with dyslexia or with other types of differences.
Each person that participates is helping us get closer and closer to that goal.
Families who want to know more can get in touch with our research coordinators, and researchers and practitioners who want to know more about UCSF's findings are invited to check the Publications tab on this website.